And maybe in the coming days, some of us will get the itch to start doing a little bit of Christmas shopping because we're going to feel that chill in the air, though. Today, Ted, a really nice day.
Yeah, beautiful fall day today, but you're right. We're moving in that direction. We're going to start thinking about Christmas shopping. I saw Jeffrey Giraffe in that video there. Makes you think of my childhood days of going to Toys R Us as a kid. And this picture makes you almost think a little bit about Christmas. You've got the pine tree there. You've got the sunrise in the distance. This is from earlier this morning near Casson. One of our viewers, Tony Anderson, sent the picture. And yeah, maybe the pine tree, that crisp autumn feel, and that prospect of very light snow in the forecast makes you think about Christmas. But right now, yeah, beautiful example of October weather for the time being. Beautiful colors of the trees. Here's a look at Lake City live with our Pearl of the Lake Louis Donato camera. Right along the Lake Pepin there, right along the Mississippi River. And yeah, a nice day there. The choppier waves again today because of those winds. Winds out of the south, 30 miles per hour now in Rochester, Mesa City 31, Algona 35. So we're going to deal with this again. We've had this the last couple of days, nothing new, and we're going to have to get used to that as we move along. Here's, we'll try to get a look at our CC Heights camera, our Louis Donato camera at CC Heights. But anyway, looking at some advancing cloud cover. Those are spilling into the area from the south, 64 the temperature. Winds out of the south, 17, now gusting to 30 miles per hour. Air pressure is steady for the time being as a storm system gets a little bit closer. You see those numbers on the map. Again, that push of warm air ahead of the system happens like this a lot. Big surge of warmth followed by a storm system, and then you have sweeping changes in those temperatures. It won't be anything like this for quite some time. 70 in Winona, Austin 70, and 68 in Charles City, Iowa. Breezy and warm today. Showers roll in late this evening, last through tonight. Often in showers tomorrow, maybe even some late day thunder. And then moving into Friday, that's the big transition day. A little bit of rain. Maybe a couple of nighttime snowflakes Friday night and Saturday. And over the weekend, some raw winds and some snow showers and flurries. But very minor impact for us in that regard. It's the cold that'll be the biggest impact of those winds. Clouds advancing for the south. Those will sweep across the area through the course of the afternoon. A little bit of rain. All this in response to the upcoming area of low pressure that's drawing in that moisture, drawing in that energy. And we're looking at the chance of showers coming up tonight and tomorrow. And to the west, it's snow. A lot of it, the potential there. The winter storm warning of 10, maybe 12 inches of snow in some parts of the Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming. A winter storm watch with up to 6 inches of snow in far northwest Minnesota. Even a freeze warning that is in Nebraska. For tonight, looking at showers rolling into the area. This is well after sunset, especially after about 9 or 10 o'clock. A couple of showers roll into the area. We'll have periods of rain for the night, and then tomorrow have to deal with scattered showers. You may have that to worry about tomorrow at the bus stop or on the way to work first thing in the morning. But also a relatively mild start to the day. Tomorrow we're going to be the 50s and still managing 60s, but this cold air about a day and a half away. And look at how cold it is right now. Miles City 29, 35 Minot, Fargo 64 east in the same state. Clouds increasing today. We'll have a breezy warm one, 69, some showers around 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Watching this on Futurecast, clouds thicken. Here comes the rain for tonight. Periods of rain tonight and tomorrow. We'll have maybe some late day thunder as this cold front comes in, especially tomorrow evening. Maybe a downpour, but half inch, maybe a little more in the way of rainfall. Not a ton of rain. The system then moves on through. Showers end early Friday. We'll get a dry slot in the system. Dry air coming in on the backside of that low, but more energy wraps around. And for us, that means some cold air, some raw winds, and some snow showers. A few of those very late Friday night and Saturday. Trace amount for us, though. Looking to the west, much heavier snow to the west of the Dakotas, far northwest Minnesota, maybe a trace for us, and with the possibility of that for both weekend days. And again, a trace amount for Sunday. This is a European model, both respective similar, and looking at very cold numbers. These temperatures about 20 plus degrees below the seasonal average. We drop off the cliff there by Friday. First thing in the morning, really Friday, with temperatures below average until maybe the end of next week. Close to 70 today. South winds gusting to 30 miles per hour, increasing cloud cover, breezy through tonight, some showers late, 53 overnight, so still fairly mild, but wet, unsettled tomorrow, periods of rain, 65, some thunder maybe by evening, and then we're looking at some snowflakes, falling temperatures through the weekend. Drier though next week.
Thank you, Ted. Just ahead where you can find